2 Samuel 7:2. Vayomer Hamelech el Natan Hanavi, Re'ena, Anochi Yoshev Bavet Aradzim, Va'aron ha'Elohim Yoshev Batok Hayariah. The subject is the king. And the king said to Nathan the prophet, "Look, I pray, I am living in a house of cedar, but the ark of God is sitting in the midst of the tent." Re'ena. Now, Re'eh comes from Resh, Aleph, He. In this case, we're looking at Kal, imperative, masculine, singular. But it has added to it the Na, which gives it that intensive sense. So it's look, I pray, or the like. Now, what might be a little interesting is why not use Hine? Behold. Well, this is an alternative. It has basically the same semantic function, perhaps a little stronger with the Na. Look, I pray. And we can take a look together at Yoshev and Yoshev. The difference between them is the plane versus the defective spelling, but they're pointed the same. So the Masoretes did not take this one as a perfect and point it with kametz ptak. Rather, they took these both as kal participle masculine singular, and they're both from yeshav. So that is the sense of to sit or to dwell, and they both have the verbal sense, right? I am living, the ark is sitting, something like that. So we'll pause for a moment and just notice that we have the Vav here at the beginning, Vayomer, which is part of the and structure. And so this starts the narrative, which is direct discourse. Then in direct discourse, the king says to Nathan, and then we have another Vav, this disjunctive Vav, really functions as a but. It's a contrastive because the king is making 2 points. Look, I am living in a house, but the ark is sitting in the midst of a tent.